Okay, so unsay kantahon ni Sir Engelbert?
In Your Eyes.
In Your Eyes. Ready na ba si Sir Engelbert?
Okay.
Since ready na ka, ako nang ihatag ang entablado sa beat si Oke. Palakpakan nato si Sir Engelbert para sa iyang kanta nga, In Your Eyes.
I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that's what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love just like a thread that keeps unraveling, but then it ties us back together in the end. In your eyes I can see my dreams' reflections. In your eyes found the answers to my questions. In your eyes I can see the reasons why our love's alive. In your eyes we're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I finally learned to love you more. You warned me that life changes, that no one really knows whether time would make us strangers, whether time would make us grow. Even though the winds of time will change, in a world where nothing stays the same, through it all our love will still remain. In your eyes I can see my dreams' reflections. In your eyes found the answers to my questions. In your eyes I can see the reasons why our love's alive. In your eyes we're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I finally learned to love you more. In your eyes I can see the reasons why our love's alive. In your eyes we're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I finally learned to love you more.
Wow, kagrabe naman pud kaayo ni. Uy, Chari, pili atong ihatag nga score ni Sir Engelbert ug ngano?
10 kay nanimbarot ang balibo.
Lo, grabe no. 10 kinanimbalot yang balhibo. Sir Churchax, pili atong ihatag nga score ni Sir Engelbert ug ngano? Go ahead.
10 akong ihatag ni Sir kay compelling ang iyang performance tungod kay emotionally connected siya sa kanta. Then every note, every lyric kay purposeful, so nice sense of urgency ang imong pagkanta, Sir. So 10.
Thank you, thank you.
Van, pila atong ihatag nga score ni Sir Engelbert ug ngano?
I'll give him a 10 out of 10.
Nganong 10 out of 10?
Dili jud ko music expert, but I'm a huge music listener, and just by listening to him sing, makaingon jud ko na tsada jud ang iyang pag-deliver as well as his diction pod. Yes, and it's just another proof na Tanhay is a city of talent pod.
Wow, grabe! Very well said! Ni-judge siya kaganiha, wa damang nga mo-perform ka, wa po damang nga makadaog kag pa-premyo kay nakuha ni mo ang perfect score! Congratulations, Sir Engelbert! Palakpakan sa nato, no?
Bidzers, kung kamo mohatag og grado, pila ka ha ug ngano? ug asa na pud mo ganahan nga mo bisita ang Bitzy Okay, just comment down below. Ug ganahan sad mo nga mo sponsor og episode, email us at info@bitzy.com. Ayaw kalimot og like, share, subscribe sa Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram ug Spotify para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos nato.